Everyone, this is solution like usually best. In this video I want to show you how to get candies and what you can use candy for, how you can use candies to purchase. So firstly, go to CoinGecko, download the app and register. Okay, so as you log in, you come to this site, come to more, click on more. Okay, alright, then come to this my candies, click on my candies. Okay, yeah, here we are. So this is the candies. Now what you need to do now, you click collect. As you tap on collect, you are claiming the candies. Alright, okay, I've done that. Okay, the network is slow here. Alright, you can see now you collected 20 candies today. So the next thing, just click on dismiss. So the candies will be added to the current one you are having. Alright, so how to make use of your candies now? Then you can be claiming these candies daily to increase your candies. Alright, as you click on dismiss, we bring you back here. So you have the time is counting down. So the next day you come back to claim. Alright, now come to browse reward. Click on browse reward. This is where you will be making use of your candies. Alright, from browse reward, you can use your candies to get so many opportunities. You can use it as you can accumulate your candies. Up to 800 candies, you can purchase this. How to NFT book. There are so many things to use your candies to get here. Okay, so you can go ahead and do that. Thank you so much. Subscribe, give the video thumbs up and likes.